Hey everybody, Jamie from the Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and what you're looking at is a blown up 140 looper. Now this particular engine, the VRO pump actually failed in it. I'll give you guys some more looks here. So ignore the water or the rust, that's because this was left open after. But also what we see down here is, you guys see that orange? So that orange is the oil burning off and leaving a varnish stain on the cylinder. So then we're not actually sealing there anymore because the rings will slide right over that. So that varnish look and those lines are on all of the other cylinders as well. And now the reason that we didn't save this particular block is, if you see those two letters that are on there, so I marked it as EE for exhaust. Straight in from there, if I can get close enough and still see it, there's a line right in the middle of the screen there. That's a crack. So this one actually needs a new sleeve. So we can take and we can re-sleeve these, but it was going to be more expensive to do that than if I call up my buddies at Outboard Rebore in Winnipeg and say, hey, do you guys have a used block you can sell me? So this particular block is made in Britain. So it's actually pretty rare from what I understand. I was thinking, oh, I should paint it black, and then I thought, you know what? No, for the nostalgia of it, I'm gonna leave this bad boy this silver gray. So you guys can see I've got the piston set, and the reason that I haven't gone any further yet is because the center main, this is the bearing from it, took a beating. So right now it's over at the machine shop, and they're gonna polish it up, all the surfaces for the rods and this main bearing. The top and the bottom are okay of the bearings, so we're gonna stick with those. I'm actually replacing this cap anyway because this cap is black, so I've got the silver one coming or here already that matches this particular engine. And what else do we got here? Oh, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the cross flows already done. So I'm waiting for the crank for this one, and I've got another looper that I have to do as well. So I got 2 loopers left and 1 more cross flow. And that cross flow that I have left is the 100 horsepower. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna lightly put that one together. I'm not gonna be mounting it back onto an engine like this. I'm gonna keep it off and use it on spec in case someone comes in and it just needs a power head, and I can swap it across. That way I can turn it into a 90, a 100, or a 115 rather than a dedicated engine that may be too big for their particular use. But yeah, I just wanted to catch everybody up. That's what's been going on here lately. I've been busy doing my rebuilds. I use WSM gasket sets and WSM pistons as well for all my jobs. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.